I am a fourth family generation farmer, so I grew up in a farm family. Both of my brothers, my dad, grandfather, and great-grandfather are all or were farmers. So being the first female farmer in the family, the calling just grew louder and louder as the years went by. So it's in my blood, really. It's a love and a passion I've always had since a very young age. This place in particular is very special in that it's a unique microclimate. We're at about 1,500 feet in elevation. We're also, as the crow flies, very, very close to the ocean. We grow over 100 commodities, primarily sweet potatoes, blueberries, rhubarb, a lot of stone fruit, Blenheim apricots, peaches, plums. We have pineapple, strawberry, lemon, guavas, 5 varieties of apples, Hass avocados, a whole array of different leafy greens, including spinach, kale, a lot of onions, dry farm potatoes. We also do quite a bit of dry farm tomatoes, dry farm winter squash, culinary herbs, and then cut flowers, edible and decorative. Everything is CCOF certified organic. The way that I control pests is to plant quite a large amount of beneficial plantings and flowers to help bring in a really good population of beneficial insects that will predate upon the harmful insects to all of the vegetable crops.